If I had to describe how today is going, I do it with 2 words: cold and wet. What is up, guys? How is everyone doing today? It's around 6:45 in the morning right now, and I'm feeling great. I mean, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's pretty crappy outside, but I'm having a good day. The first stop for today is I need to swing by the gym. I'm here right now. I did a little video for Matt. Matt's working on a business and a training thing, and he wanted a video for it. And the door's locked. He wanted a video for it, so I made him a video for it. Old-fashioned Matt on the USB.
Thanks, man.
There you go, dude.
It was tied 6-6, game to 7. They put me into pick and roll to guard one of their better players because I'm a mismatch, apparently.
Okay, defensive nightmare.
They drive at me.
Okay.
Poke away steal.
Nice.
Pull up 3.
Nice.
Miss.
Oh.
And then they win the game.
That was an underwhelming story.
Oh, I said it was almost an outrageous play.
I can take 2 steps along the street without turning headlights. I think they're on me. I go about my business on the screen, but they yearning for my life information machine.
I finally found an office desk that I don't hate. It's been like a month and a half and I've been looking, and I finally found one that I don't hate. Time to build the office desk. All right, we got a desk. To be completely honest, there is one thing I love about the rain, and it's that it cleans your shoes, and I'm really lazy and I never clean my shoes. And the other day I was walking around and I got my metallic red Jordan 1s covered in mud, and they looked absolutely disgusting, but walking around for the past half an hour, they actually look pretty good now. In other news, I think it's someone's birthday today. Okay, full disclosure, it wasn't actually his birthday today. It was like yesterday or 2 days ago, and I forgot, and I thought it was today, but then I remembered as soon as I said that it was his birthday that it wasn't his birthday, so I lied to you. It's not actually his birthday. Please don't click off the video. Happy belated birthday, dude.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You didn't come here to wish me a happy birthday on my birthday.
I didn't know.
Oh.
But you have a birthday party tonight, right?
Yeah.
I'm probably not gonna go to his birthday party tonight, but he doesn't know about this yet, so. Eric, I'll see you at your birthday party tonight.
Sounds good.
I heard you're getting something new in the store?
Like what?
Like a big, large object that's coming to the store.
What kind of big, large object?
Like a large, heavy, metallic object.
Like almost like it would be a piece of equipment.
Yeah, sort of like a piece of
some sort
machinery.
way.
Like
Yeah.
sort of like the size of a fridge, except not a fridge.
What could it be though? Maybe it's a Keymaster?
Are you getting a Keymaster? I almost fell over.
We're getting a Keymaster.
You're getting a key. He's getting a key. He's getting a Keymaster. That's exciting, Eric.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
I'm gonna be homeless. I'm gonna blow all of my revenue here. I'm gonna spend all of my money here, and I will have lots of shoes, but I'll have no home. Do you know I've never won a Keymaster? I've never won a Keymaster. All right, bye, Eric.
Bye.
Love you. See you at your birthday thing. I'm not going to his birthday thing. Have a good day. Silly guy thinks I'm showing up at his birthday.
It's a beautiful day, so I don't care that you get looked away. And I'm scared back from my body and your feet, having trouble choosing between.
All right. So today I got a package in the mail. Very excited for this, mainly because I have no idea what it is. I know who sent it, I know what brand it's from, but I don't know what pair of sneakers it is, which is my favorite, where you have like a little bit of an idea and you're like, okay, well this is coming out next week, this came out last week, what could it be? I think I have a slight idea of what these are. If you've been watching the NBA playoffs, you've probably seen these. If not, you might have not seen them. Quick interruption from the editing desk just to tell you guys, if you haven't been watching the NBA playoffs, seriously, what are you doing with your life? Now, the thing I love about the NBA playoffs is that every single year we know at the beginning of the season there's 4 teams that have any realistic chance of winning. But somehow every single year the playoffs become exciting and they become new and they become fresh and there's twists and turns, even though the Warriors and the Rockets are in the conference finals just like everyone thought, and the Celtics and the Cavs are in the conference finals just like everyone thought. The NBA playoffs are amazing. Some of the best TV entertainment you can get. And I mean, the halftime shows with Charles Barkley and Chuck are also some of the best things known to mankind. If you're not watching the NBA playoffs, what is wrong with you? Anyways, we have an unboxing. Okay. Yeah, these are exactly what I thought they were. I haven't seen these yet. I've only seen pictures. I'm really excited to see these. These are the Under Armour Curry 5. I don't know if these have released yet. I'm gonna have to do some research on whether or not these have released yet. This box looks sick. There's just a whole bunch of numbers all over it. I mean, the numbers probably have some significance. I'm not sure. And then there's something that sort of looks like a Fibonacci sequence or like squares and circles, which is what it is, but it's just a number 5 with Curry. This is a beautiful looking box. Well done on the box. Sent me my size 12. These are gonna retail for 160 Canadian, probably I'd guess 130 US. If they're already out, I'll leave a link down in the description. There's a nice little information card right here. Engineered for maximum unpredictability. That doesn't sound good. I mean, it's good if you're unpredictable for your opponent, but I'd like my shoes to be predictable. Under Armour, work on that marketing line. It's not good. All right, first look at the shoes. Interesting. Oh, cool. It's like fabric. I thought for sure that was going to be like this is sort of cool. So here's the Under Armour Curry 5. First off, right off the bat, these really remind me of the Harden Volume 1s. These really look like the Hardens, at least in my humble opinion. Maybe you guys disagree with me. Maybe you think I'm crazy. But as far as I'm concerned, these things really look like the Hardens. I mean, these are sick. It's a sort of subtle colorway, but also like really bright and loud on all this textile. Now, this big piece that wraps around here and on the heel, I thought for sure that was going to be like a fuse or a plastic material. But no, it's like a woven sort of cloth material. It feels a lot like you'd expect a Jordan 11 to feel, the Cordura mesh that they have on that shoe. This is really cool. I love that big cutout on the bottom, how they just have that big chunk missing there on the inside of your foot. They have that big red strike pad right there. The rest of the bottom is icy. White laces, you have like white on the inside here, you have white right here. The lacing system looks really nice as well. That'll probably be a pain in the butt to try and relace if you ever broke your shoelaces though. This does not look like a fun shoe to relace, so just keep that in mind. The colorway looks really nice. They're really lightweight. I'm sure this will be a good basketball shoe. There's multi-directional traction. I'm not sure what type of cushioning this actually has, although that wouldn't mean anything even if I knew, because I haven't played basketball in that many Under Armour shoes, so I don't have like an expert opinion on them. Interesting thing on these is, as far as I can tell, maybe I'll check the other shoe, but as far as I can tell, there is no Bible verse on this, like the verse from Proverbs or whatever Steph Curry has on his shoes. As far as I can see, it is not featured on this, which is really interesting because that was a huge point of contention when he left Nike, is that they didn't let him have Bible verses on the shoes. I mean, they also screwed up his name, but Under Armour had the Bible verse on the shoes, and it doesn't look like they have it anywhere on the Curry 5s. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's just, I find that interesting. Golden State's tied 1-1 with Houston right now. Do you guys think they're going to win? Do you guys think they're going to lose? If I had to put money on it, I'd say Golden State wins in 5, maybe 6, maybe Houston pulls out another game. I know there's a lot of Houston fans out there, and I'm not hating on Houston. I just think Golden State is one of the most talented teams I've ever seen in my life. And they're unstoppable when everyone's playing good. Like, Curry has played like trash the first 2 games. Klay Thompson played like trash in game 2. If you could get all of them to just score 20 to 28 points, I don't think you can beat that team if they're clicking on all cylinders. So I think Golden State's going to make it to the finals. I think Boston's going to make it to the finals. More importantly, oh my goodness, that is exciting. This is a really, really nice pair of shoes though. Under Armour, thank you for sending these out. I really do appreciate these. I'll probably put these to good use within the next couple of weeks. I've been playing a lot of basketball recently. I actually scored 25 points in a men's league game. Was it Division 2? Maybe. I don't mean to brag. Sick pair of basketball shoes though. I really dig the Curry 5. This is probably, I really liked the Curry one. The Curry one looked really cool. I know lots of people didn't like the Curry one, but I think this is tied for my favorite pair of Under Armour Steph Curry sneakers.